Daddy.
Washington want?
Can go Chuck Cheese.
Finn. If misbehave counted.
When they go to Chuck Cheese.
Welcome to Chuck Cheese. What want?
I'll have cheese up his ass.
And me want? Let me us check for pound sign car horn. Sorry, we don't have.
Gayloo. Shut up and eat your up his ass.
Me want? Me want? Me want? Me want? Give it to me right now. Young man, you need to get out because of the tantrum. Get out!
Sorry. Oh, gayloo, how dare you say? You know. Is a bad word that you counted.
Washington, Washington.